Hello, my name is Juliet Camila Rodriguez Martinez. I'm studying business administration and from Kumaribo Vichada. And today I will talk to you about social networks. Personally, I think we always want to follow the trends we see on social networks. We want to look more like the influencers and the various forms and behaviors that they teach in their content. I also believe that not every time we see on social networks or the feelings that people show on social network are true or not. I why in real time some might claim to be un acid but no longer be present there, or post that he is very happy while he is depressed in alone is the wrong. Finally, I if consider that social networks, yes, affect our mental health. They might make us want to desire things that we made to be able to hate, and we hate frustrated generation discomfort in our life. They also allow us to see every day more ways to commit suicide or affect our physical and emotional health. Thank you.